if you missed Detroit Supercross, Cameron McAdoo had another huge crash. Now, coming into this year already with the ACL injury, a really good first race, finishing on the podium, getting some points, looking like, hey, maybe this could be a salvageable year, at least semi. But if you watch this in the whoops, you can see at the very end, Barr hits him right in the face and he's out. I mean, that is the body language and of somebody who is just purely passed out. You can see head snaps up there, like what is going on? And to me, this should be the end of his season. Massive crash like that. You're already so now you've lost the points for round two. You're probably out of any sort of championship contention. Uh, I mean, I'm assuming there's some mathematical point in there where you could be close to it, but and then you can see here after this they red flagged the race and him walking. He looks completely out of it. I mean, ACL obviously is probably painful, and he just does not look like somebody who should be up. Like, I can't believe that they didn't put him on a backboard and just carry him off that way, just to be safe about that. You can see bloody face, bloody lip. You know, to me, this should be the end of the year. You're out of contention now for a championship win. Uh, Take the time, go get the knee fixed. Have the surgery, come back. I'm assuming, who knows, the end of motocross, SMX playoff, something, or even just next year. And obviously, it sucks for him. Like, he's not getting any younger at 27 years old. I mean, he's been in the 250 class a long time and sadly just injured a ton. And it's always big things like this. So you got to give it to him for always coming back. But, coming into the year injured, it was already probably a throwaway. You had to know, like, if one thing went wrong with that knee, it was going to be a bad situation. And with something like this, take the time off, go get the knee fixed, get the surgery done, come back hopefully next year or at the end of this year healthy, or try. I mean, at this point you're down points already. What's the point of coming back for the next round and trying to tough it out through this year? Already injured for for third maybe in the championship. I mean, if what I'm looking at is correct, this puts him down into 11th place. Like, he is out of the championship contention, out of any sort of podium contention at this point. Just, take the rest of the year off, heal up, try to heal up, and come back. Because, I mean, what are you going to do if you're going to race the rest of the season with the leg that's hurt and now for no points, for no contention? It just doesn't make any sense to me. But I don't know. Comment down below. You guys tell me, what do you think? Is he going to come back? Should he come back? Would you like to see him? Do you think he should just take the rest of the year like I do? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you're thinking. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.